students. How are you all? Hope you're fine at home and doing well at home. So today is Monday and the date is 28th of December 2020. 28th of December 2020. And today we are going to do our English work, that is hands-on English. So please take out your books. And today we are going to do the exercise based on preposition. Today we are going to do the exercise based on preposition. So what are preposition? The position words are preposition, which tell the position of one noun with another noun. Okay, or with the position of the one noun only. Okay, when we are asking question where is my pen? The pen is on the table. Okay, where is my books? The books are in your bag. So when we are talking about where, we get the answer in preposition, the position of that particular thing when we ask where. Okay, so the question where answers the answer in preposition. Getting this point? Preposition in, on, under, or near are the preposition which we are going to cover in these particular exercises. Okay, so let's begin with the exercise. On page number 38 we are going to do module 3, 4, 5 and 6. We are going to complete 4 modules today, that is 3, 4, 5 and 6. So let's begin our work now. So the fruits are in the basket. The fruits are in the basket. We are going to circle the preposition. Circle the preposition in the following sentences. So in. What do you have in your hands? The clock is on the table. Do not go near the fire. The dog is sitting under the chair. Okay, getting this point? In the basket, in your hands, on the table, near the fire, under the chair. And color this particular picture here. Color the fruit baskets and fruits. Okay, they are bananas, orange, apple and grapes. Then preposition module 4. Jack was born in Agra. Jack was born in Agra. The books are on the bed. My mother is in the kitchen. The box is under the table. There is an old rail engine near my house. So you can color this engine in red or black color. Getting this point? In, on, in, under, near are telling the position of one noun with another noun. Simple preposition consist of only one word and are placed before a noun or pronoun. You can see noun, Agra, in, on the bed, in the kitchen. The simple preposition placed before the noun or pronoun. My के आगे near है. They show the relationship of a noun with another word in a sentence. For example, on the bed. Getting this point? So in this way, you're going to do your page number 38. Now we are going to do page number 39, filling the blanks with the correct preposition given in the brackets. We are going to find out the correct preposition according to the sentence. A rabbit is dash the burrow. In the burrow or on the burrow? In the burrow. So we're going to write in here. Getting this point? A newspaper is on the table. On the table. Okay, the cat is on the roof. The cat is on the roof. The horse stood under. In the tree तो नहीं होगा. Under the tree. The bear is in the jungle. The bear is in the jungle. There is a bear in the jungle. There is a bear in the jungle, or the bear is in the jungle. Okay. The pizza is served dash a plate. The pizza is served on a plate. Under a plate serve करते हो, on a plate. On a plate. I kept the toys on the cupboard or in the cupboard? In the cupboard. I kept the toys in the cupboard. The baby sleeps dash the cradle. The baby sleeps in the cradle. My shoes are under the bed. In the bed or under the bed? Under the bed. Okay. We play cricket in the park. We play cricket in the park. Okay. So on, in, under, in. You sit on the bed. You sleep in a bed. You sit on a chair. You keep things in a cupboard or on shelf. Under is used to show the position below or lower than something else. Okay, so under tells the that something is below something. Okay, under the bed, under the chair, under the tree. So something is covered and you are under it. So you are sitting under the roof. Getting this point? So in this way, you're going to do your page number 38 and 39. You're going to do your page number 38 and 39. Do reading carefully and you will find out your preposition according to that. Getting this point? Use logic that your shoes will be under the bed, not in the bed. Okay? You serve pizza on a plate, not under the plate. Getting this point? It's a logic also. Think like you will not serve the pizza under the plate. You will keep the pizza under the plate and then serve. No, you keep the pizza on the plate and then serve. Getting this point? So the prepositions tells the logic also. So you have to go with the logic. You have to go with your senses also, whether you will do that thing in that particular manner or not. Okay. So now we are going to write our diary. So please take out your diaries. So the date is 28/12/2020. Do page number 38 and 39. Do page number 38 and 39. In next class, we are going to learn something new. Till then, stay healthy and stay happy. Bye.